library assets in Camtasia Studio. To open the library, first you need to click on the Media tab. After that you need to click on Library tab. These are the different types of library items present in Camtasia Studio. They come default. Even we can save our own library assets. In library, we can save even downloaded or saved assets like intros, outros, backgrounds, icons, lower thirds, music, clipart animations, whatever you want. If you want to use them repeatedly, it's better to save them in the library. If you click on this triangle, this folder gets expanded. You need to drag the library item onto the timeline to see what is present in it. Even you can right click and click on preview. It opens a separate window to see the preview so that you can decide whether you want to use this in your timeline or not. Just right click and click on preview. If you are happy with this, you can use it. Simply right click, add to timeline at playhead, and click on spacebar. You can see the animation or whatever is present within this clip. This is basically how to use library items in your project, means in the timeline. You are having different types, like this is apartment 01. We'll see what is this. See, this is a simple one icon. We can scale it down, we can make it big, we can do different types of operations on it. Once if you select for any library item, you can see the properties in the properties panel on the right side. See, there are different types of icons like business icons, bar chart, even briefcase. This is very simple icon. If you see the motion graphics, there is small difference between this is like a video clip, this is like hierarchy, means you can add them here. If you see the library item, there is a small plus icon, means that is a grouped one. If you click on this, it expands and it shows what is inside. See, this is one library item. These are very simple videos. These are icons, these are grouped items. To learn best about Camtasia Studio, try to work on these grouped Camtasia templates. As a beginner, you will learn very clearly how they built this kind of templates. You can customize with your text. Your text comes here. This is simple info. Whatever the text you want, you can replace with that text. This is how you can customize the library items. You can make your own library items. You can save them. I am creating a small library item. You want to create a lower third, just animate the opacity. And you want to animate the position also. If you want to add this to library, select whatever you want, right click, add to library, and you name this lower third. See, now you can delete this, but still it is there in your library. You can drag and drop here, it keeps all the animations. You can place wherever you want. And then you can replace the text. This is what is called how to save your own library items. When you right click in the library, you will see you can create your own folders. You can rename this. If you want to delete from library, yes, no folder, rename this, and you can export the library. For example, if you want to save this lower third, if you want to open this in other system, you need to export selected assets and it will save it as a .libgif. Means you can take this file and you can open it in other system. That is how to save the library items. This is even you can import directly media to your library. For example, I want to import this into this one. This video is directly imported into the library. Even when you close the Camtasia Studio, when you open, you can see these are all simple videos like this. You can see the icon. If you want to close it, just delete from library. It will say yes. You cannot add subfolders. Even if you want to clean up the library, go to Edit, Preferences, Advanced, and click on Clean Up Library. It cleans up. The cleanup process performs out routine maintenance on your library files, including removal of any broken links or anything. Yes, it cleaned up your library. Do now and then. If you are maintaining a good library, you need to clean up regularly so that it will find any broken links or anything missing. When you want to use the library, when you create content regularly in Camtasia Studio, you need to build a good library. I hope you learned all the important tools required for library asset management in Camtasia Studio.